Watching a long home video in a conventional video player is often a boring experience. Here we show a typical scenario using a media player to navigate a long tour video of a building. Different scenes are presented in the temporal order the video was shot. Thus, the geographical relationships between the scenes are lost, and it is difficult for viewers to mentally reconstruct the tour path that the people who shot the video experienced. We present a novel user interface to enhance the user experience of navigating such a long tour video by creating map-based storyboards like the one shown here. A rich set of controls are provided on the web-based interface, which allows the user to explore the video in the joint location-time-space. The interface also allows the user to navigate the video in a variety of customizable modes, and is thus able to give each viewer a unique personal viewing experience. Let's first look at the viewing interface in detail. The left panel of the interface is a video player, and the right panel is the map-based storyboard, which is created by the authoring tool we will demonstrate later. There are 4 graphical elements overlaid on the map in the storyboard. The lines represent the approximate tour path reconstructed in the authoring tool. The pins represent interesting locations highlighted by the author. Each pin corresponds to a coherent shot in the original video, which is visualized as a color segment in the timeline below the video player. The size of the pin is proportional to the length of each shot. The red dot is the location controller, which shows the spatial location of the current playing frame on the map. It updates its position along the tour path as the video progresses to give the user direct information where the current scene is captured. The user can also drag the controller along the tour path to directly jump to the video shots that are captured at the selected locations. A keyframe thumbnail for each highlighted location can be displayed to give the user a direct visual summarization of the corresponding shot. The viewer can mouse over a thumbnail to see the high-resolution frame along with additional comments provided by the author. If interested, the viewer can double-click a keyframe to directly jump to the corresponding shot. Our interface also allows the viewer to watch the video in a variety of advanced modes. For instance, the viewer can choose to play only salient shots, and the system will automatically skip over parts of the video which contain significant camera shake, resulting in a high-quality summarization video. The viewer can also choose to play the video in constant walking speed mode. In this mode, the highlighted video shots will be played at normal speed, while the transition shots will be played at a normalized higher speed, resulting in an effect that the camera is moving at a constant spatial speed on the tour path except at highlighted locations. Finally, the viewer can set a time limit he or she wants to spend on the video, and our system will automatically play a good summarization of the video of the exact length of the time limit by allocating a proper amount of time at each highlighted location. Now let's move to the authoring tool to see how such a presentation can be easily created. The complete system has 3 major components: pre-processing, the authoring tool, and the viewing tool. Pre-processing is a fully automatic process. We extract image features from video frames and match features across frames. This enables us to extract salient, coherent shots from the input video and generate a representative keyframe for each shot. In the authoring tool, the user simply places the keyframes at the proper locations on the map. Every time a new frame is placed, a new piece of tour path is automatically generated. The user can change the keyframe for a video shot or add additional descriptions. In the case that an interesting shot hasn't been picked up by the preprocessor, the user can find a frame in the shot and add it as a new keyframe. Our system will automatically find a coherent shot containing the selected frame, which is ready to be added onto the storyboard. In summary, we present a novel map-based storyboard user interface for navigating long tour videos. We also provide an authoring tool which allows creating such a storyboard-based presentation to be easy. Compared with conventional media players, our system provides a much higher degree of freedom to create unique and valuable user experiences.